Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the phone mockup in Pixlr. First, go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then just double click the Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then we'll double click the Open Image button. And then find the mockup. It's going to ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply. And now to add your design to the screen, you just want to click on this little square box that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click Add Media. And find your design. You might need to resize it a little bit. To do that, just click and drag any of the four corners. And you can kind of click on it and drag it into place when you see this move tool with the four arrows. And you notice it's in front of our phone instead of behind it. So to fix that, we want to click the three dot icon in the bottom layer. And that'll bring up the layer menu, and we want to make sure it says unlocked here instead of locked. And then we'll just click and drag the bottom layer underneath the layer with the phone, so it's behind it. And it's also a little bit too tall, so we just need to crop it. We'll click on the scissor icon on the left hand side that says cutout when you hover over it. And then make sure the shape cutout tool with the little square in the circle is selected under tool. And then make sure the square icon under shape is selected. And we'll just click and drag from the upper left corner to the lower right to cut out the excess of that image. And then to add your background, you just want to come back here again and click on the square icon that says Add Element Image when you hover over it, and then click Add Media again. And this time find your background. And we want it to be the bottom layer, so we'll just click and drag on that layer in the Layers panel and drag it underneath all the other layers. And that's all there is to adding your design and background to the PNG file in Pixlr. And depending on which mockup you purchase, there might be several options of PNG files. Some might have a white background, which is a screen cut out. So just use whichever PNG version works for you. If you're going to use this online as a thumbnail on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So just click the Save button at the bottom. And then select JPEG. I would change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then click Save As. And it's just going to take a few seconds and try and show you an ad. And if you wanted the native Pixlr document too, you could just come back here and click Save again, and then just this time select PXC and then click Save As again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.